Simply add oil to the coffee. After adding oil to the coffee, you'll never spend your money again. To start this tip, take 300 milliliters of water and add 2 generous tablespoons of regular coffee. You can use ground coffee or after straining it to make your coffee. After mixing the coffee with the water, take a container of your choice, preferably glass. I learned this tip from an uncle of mine who lives on the ranch in the countryside. He was dealing with that annoying issue that many of us face at home, but then he shared his secret with me. This wonderful tip will solve your problem. After putting it in the recipient, pour cooking oil over the water and the coffee. Let the coffee sit for about 5 minutes and then proceed to add oil to it. Grab the cap from a milk or plastic soda bottle. It simply has to be a plastic lid. Then take a pointed knife and make a medium hole in the center. Cut a piece of string and try to pass it through the hole in the lid, making it like a slightly flat wick. It will be worth it in the end. Take the lid with the string and place the pointed part down, making it act as a support for the string. It will look like a candle afterward. Grab a lighter and light the rope. With this, you'll never spend money again. I imagine you're wondering what problem this solves. Those problems with mosquitoes, gnats, mosquitoes, I don't know what you call them, but we all know that those bugs are really bad. No one likes them, especially during the hot seasons. They take advantage of the hot weather and come to attack us non-stop. Anyone who doesn't have a good insecticide has a hard time. However, here I have a great insecticide made with ingredients that everyone has at home. I doubt you'll suffer from mosquitoes after this trick. This works with various insects, even with cockroaches. Since there is oil in the coffee, the wick will not go out as easily. I'm sure you won't suffer from mosquitoes after this tip. It is important to protect against mosquitoes, as they carry diseases including malaria, elephantiasis, yellow fever, as well as those caused by the dengue, Zika, and chikungunya viruses. Finally, place the mixture in strategic locations where there are many mosquitoes and insects, and that's it. They will soon vanish completely from your home, as they cannot tolerate the scent of burning coffee and will go away. If you made it this far, leave insect emojis so I know you watched the entire video. If this is your first time watching one of my videos, subscribe to be the first to receive our tips.